Here's the review for Matchbox Buffalo MPCV first unboxing, and here we go. Here's the background. Also, here's a quick video for the toys we have. Also, be careful on this one. Very sensitive. There you go. Pretty much it. There you go. I'm sorry for the turning table. It doesn't have battery. The battery is dead. So I'm gonna handle it with care. Handle with care. There you go. Nice. Well, not bad product wheel. It's good. I'm sorry if you didn't see properly. I have a bad camera here, so that's fine. So that's it. Thank you for watching.